How to pay for Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can pay for Spotify Premium on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to pay for Spotify Premium on your iPhone, all you have to do is, first of all, if you have been trying to purchase the premium from your application, keep in mind that you will not be able to do so because iOS does not let you make in-app payments. In-app payments are not supported from iOS or iPhone themselves, so you cannot do in-app payments and in-app browsing. So instead, what you want to do is you want to simply open your Safari browser, go to spotify.com and log into your Spotify account on which you want to pay for the premium. Once you've done that, what you want to do is, if you look right at the top right hand side, you'll find a little gear icon here. Tap on this gear icon, which is the settings option. Here you'll find this option called premium, so you want to make sure to just tap on the little premium option. As you tap the premium option, on the next step you'll be able to see all the features and as to why you should go to premium and so on. You can select an individual plan or a duo plan or family plan or even a student plan, depending upon what type of plan you want. Let's say in this case I want an individual plan. I can just tap the get started option here, and as I just tap the get started option, on the next page you can see my plan. I can change this if I want to. Now you can simply fill in your payment details, such as whether you want to link or pay with your PayPal or with your credit or debit card. Depending upon what you want to do, you can simply select that. Make sure to enter your card number, expiration date, the security code, or also known as CVV number, and then you can save the card for future purchases if you'd like, and then tap the buy now option right over here and your premium will be successfully purchased. Now even after you do this, sometimes the premium might not load over directly in the app. In that case, just try to log out of Spotify, log in back again, and the premium will be successfully loaded as well. And this way you can pay for Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.